Last few months, we've been doing some pretty epic training in Park City, Utah, our summer season, so landing into the pool and doing some really technical refinement work. It was hard work, but now's not the time to get slack, so it was good. It was a really successful training camp. Both coaches, Jeff and Joe, we've been working so well as a team, and I've really achieved what I needed to achieve and put me in the best place for the preparations ahead. Now until February, I'll be enjoying a little bit of time at home with some intense strength and conditioning, so just flew in the other day. And yeah, a bit of R&R, catch up with some friends, but also eyes on the prize. So we'll head over to Finland in November. Then the first World Cup is in China in December, right before Christmas. We'll get about a week off and then back to training. We've got the North American World Cup competitions. We'll miss the Moscow event, so we'll go back to Finland to train and then off to South Korea. It'll be incredible to go, round 2 in PyeongChang. I think it's going to be awesome because the first one's all about that experience, and now that I've had that experience, I can really put my preparations and my strengths and everything into play now. Before it was all about just gaining experience. These games, compared to Sochi, I have harder jumps now, so I want to be able to play the strategy out there and use those harder jumps when it is vital, and yeah, obviously do my absolute best.